Welcome YouTube to Operation Airsoft. This channel will have burst videos, reviews, all that crap, guys. It's gonna have literally everything you can think of Airsoft, guys. So let's get to my very first video. So in this video, we're gonna be shooting my $80 Airsoft mask with my new pistol that I just got. We're gonna see how it goes. I'll probably record on like 2 or 3 different angles. It should be pretty cool, guys. If you like the video, be sure to give it a like, because honestly, guys, one like on my first video means you guys actually like me and are loyal subscribers. So yeah, let's get to the video. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so this is the aftermath of me shooting it. It didn't even do anything to this mask whatsoever. I mean, honestly, look at this mask. It didn't do anything to it. They didn't even put a single scratch. These scratches were already there. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, do all that crazy stuff. And see you guys next video.